boys and girls. My name is Lynn and I'd like to welcome all of you here to Punggol Amphitheatre for High Flyers. Thank you. For this afternoon, we are going to take all of you on a flight and journey through the wonderful and colorful world of birds. We hope that you will leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to help our feathered friends across the world. Now, speaking of feathered friends, we are going to start the show by highlighting the natural behaviors of macaws. In the wild, macaws, they love to congregate on trees to feast on fruits and nuts. We've attached some rewards on this tree. Let's welcome the bird, shall we? Everyone look right back there. Let's welcome the first parrot. Let's go, our high-seat macaw. Everyone look back once again. Adrian, our scarlet macaw, will be taking flight. Oh, look at him. What a show off. Well, speaking of high-seat macaws, the first one that flew in, they are the largest in the parrot family. If you want to learn about the other species of parrots after the show, do visit Parrot's Paradise. So what happens after they eat in the wild is that they will fly to rocky surfaces like these. For example, this is where they would lick up chalk or clay, and that would actually help them with the digestion of any unripe fruits or nuts that they have eaten. Wow! Looks like Adrian is still enjoying his reward, but this will definitely be his next stop. Oh, nice music! Hi! Hey, who's that?
Hello everyone, so right here with me I have Gabby. Gabby here is a blue and yellow macaw. Okay, so Gabby here, if he sees litter lying around, he would actually pick them up and throw it into the bin.
So environmentally conscious, yeah? Okay, so if you say that, I'm going to test Gabby's recycling skills. I have paper, metal and plastic.
Okay, right here with me I have three kinds of bins. Okay, I have one for paper, one for metal, and the last one for plastic.
Okay, very good. Okay, Gabby? Oh, looks like
Gabby, you know what to do.
Let's go.
Okay, next one.
Metal.
Okay, last one shouldn't be a problem.
Plastic. Ta-da! I'm not a bin. The bin is there. What? Mitra, Gabby says she's not tall enough to reach the bin.
It's okay, tell her not to worry because I brought out her favorite tool.
Huh?
A stool!
You have tools?
Yes, a lot of tools.
Okay. You know how to use a stool, Gabby? Oh, look at it. It's so good. Okay, I'm gonna give her the pen again. There you go. Plastic bottle.
Look at that, she stands up the stool. And she recycles. Good job, Gabby. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, plastic has invaded our lives to the extent that it has killed millions of birds and animals every single year. Plastics that can be found in animals' habitats can be very harmful, especially when they consume them or they even can get entangled in them. And that is why plastics, they are known as the deadliest monsters.
Deadliest monsters. That's quite alarming to hear. But if Gabby the parrot can learn to recycle, we can do likewise. So everyone, let's bin our litters right to help save wildlife and fight the deadliest monsters together. Having said that, thank you very much, Mithra and Gabby! Alright, now just a gentle reminder, especially for those who have just arrived, to please have your mask on at all times, okay, or else the birds might fly away. So I need your cooperation. Everyone sit down, do not run towards Duga unless she chooses you as the volunteer. Okay, we'll make some final touches to the enrichment device. Duga will give me the thumbs up once she's ready. Very good, everyone. Let's look right on stage and let's welcome our beautiful conures. Hey, the lady over there, can you turn off your flash? Your flash is on, thank you. Can you see the first conure? Okay, let's see if the birds can see Duga. Whoa! Alright, agenda conures, okay? Oh, that's a sun conure. Over there, yes, okay, wow, so many. The rest of you sit down, sit down. Well done, let's give the volunteer a big hand, everyone. Oh, thank you very much for your help. Everyone remains still, that's good. Okay, so what we've done is we've hidden some treats and fruits inside the device for the birds to forage. Alright, there are more than 15 species of conures, but over there, can you see? Okay, those with the green feathers, those are gendays. Okay, oh, those up there, those are called sun conures. Alright. Oh, okay. You guys slowly. Okay, remember, don't run to her, okay? But can you hear how loud the conures are? They have very high-pitched screeches and they are sociable. So usually when one goes, the rest will follow suit. Very good. Okay, knock knock. Somebody open the door. Can we give our conures a big hand, everyone? In the wild, they do this as a form of social communication. So, I have a yellow-necked Amazon parrot. Let's get the microphone so that all of you can hear for yourself. These birds are not part of the show, okay? They're Amigo's greatest fans. Alright, Amigo, are you ready? Say hello. Hello. Yeah. He's so smart, he can say his own name. You ready? Tell them your name. Amigo. See? How else can you reach all these nice people? How are you? Oh, if you are feeling good, give me the thumbs up. Oh, very nice. Amigo, you want to show off a bit? He can count from 1 to 10. Oh. Yes, okay, let's listen to him count first in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ah! People in the first few rows, can you see the parrot's big move as he was counting? Not to ventriloquist, okay? It's going to count again in a second language. 1 to 10, Amigo, but this time do it in Chinese. Very good in Mandarin. Thank you, Amigo. Besides counting, he loves to sing as well. The first song he'll be singing is a local children's song that goes by the title, 客人来. 客人来 means a guest comes to visit. Okay, let's hear it from Amigo. You ready? Can you sing in Mandarin? Wow, that was word for word, 客人来 by Amigo. Good job. Second song originates from Indonesia, Rasa Sayang. Rasa means feel, sayang means love. Feelings of love. Okay, Amigo, ready? Rasa Sayang. Amigo. Last but not least, an English song, but before he sings, is anyone celebrating a birthday by any chance today? Let me start from this section. Any birthday people? No? Center? Oh, somebody's birthday. Shy. Don't worry, I won't ask your age. Somebody's birthday too? Very good. Okay, at least 2 or 3 people in this section. How about the last section? Oh, hello. Okay, for all who are celebrating your birthdays today, the next song goes to you. Okay, ready now? Amigo? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Let's welcome Vicky, our red pie Honda. Big bird, isn't she? And in fact, great pied hornbills are one of the largest flying hornbills that you can find in this region. For the people in this corner. Whoa. Look at that. Can you hear that? that's the vocalization of a great-pied hornbill. Is that hello? And the one when the female hornbills nest, they will look for holes or even cavities in trees. If you look over there, we have a hut with a nest box. Now that is quite similar to what we give our hornbills to nest right here in the Jurong Bird Park. Alright. Vicky will be making a flight to Dunga. Okay, people around her remain seated, no sudden movements. There you go. Now once she's ready, she's going to check out her nest box. We'll give her a few moments. A little hop to the right, Vicky. Like the way she hops. Look, she's inspecting the interior of the nest box right now, and if she likes it, she will then hop right in. We'll give her a few moments to decide, okay? Did she go in already? Oh, that was fast. So what happens then? Female hornbills would seal themselves inside the nest. In the wild, they make use of materials like soil, regurgitated food, and even their own droppings.